Hi everyone, it's JoJo, and I'm here today to show you a kit, actually 3 kits, that go together by Susan Taylor Brown, and it's her mermaid kits. The first part that I'm going to show you is the quotes, the mermaid quotes. The next 2 are the rest of the 2 kits. One is the main pages, and the other one is the add-on. I didn't keep them actually in order that you get them, but pretty much they are just absolutely, I think they're absolutely beautiful. So to get started, she has 4 pages of the green with mermaid quotes on them. These quotes are just beautiful quotes too. And I love the colors that have been used on them. The backgrounds, so pretty. I won't read all of the quotes to you, but like this one, to the maiden, the sea was blue meadow, alive with little frothing people singing, by Stephen Crane. These are just beautiful. Here's one. Hark, do you not hear? It is but the mermaid singing, deep below the waving waters, by Jerome K. Jerome. So there's actually 4 pages of different quotes. And the green, there's 4 pages of the green. There are 12 pages total. Tough mermaids are, the lot of them, by Blackbeard. Just pretty. Then the same quotes on the 4 pages are on the blue pages. Isn't that just lovely? Looks just like the sea. I like the way that it's got bubbles in the background, and it's a mixture of the green and the blues. And these are, like I said, the same 4 pages that were on the green. I started early, took my dog, and visited the sea. The mermaids in the basement came out to look at me, by Emily Dickinson. These so pretty. I think that they would be beautiful once you ink the edges. I mean, they're beautiful as they are, but even more so once you ink the edges and start putting them in your books. That pretty. And then we get 4 pages in the brown. So that's how I get the 12. My soul within this icy sea fulfills her fearful destiny. Through time's long ages I shall wait to lead the victims to their fate. By Anne Bannerman. Aren't these so pretty? I think that this kind of reminds me of a starfish, and it looks like that it's, is it called echo dyed, or that there's leaves in the background? Isn't that pretty? These quotes are sure worth the price. They're just beautiful, and there's a lot of them, and you can use them over and over. That's what I love about the kits, is once you buy them, they're yours, and you can print them as many times as you want to. Now this is both the main and the add-on pages. I think the main is on top and the add-ons on the bottom. They're kind of in order, but not exactly. So this shows a little clamshell here. And then there's a lot of bubbles. It looks like the ocean. It's just, these pages are absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to get started. And The regular pages I print on just regular copy paper. The ephemera like this, isn't that pretty? Mermaids this way. This is on cardstock. And then these are for journaling cards. These I printed on cardstock too. Those pretty. They have beautiful detail. Here is the clamshell again. And it has the lines. Wouldn't that be just absolutely fun to write on? Do your journaling. And here's a map. And when I see map, I think of pirates, you know, with the sea. So I think this is a beautiful add-on to the kit. And then here's some more ephemera. They're just pretty. And there are a lot of pages to both of these kits. To all three of them. When you sit and put them all together, it's well worth the money. Thank you, Susan. I feel honored to be able to be part of your team. Really look forward to doing projects with these pages. Actually, if you look at the rocks, I don't know if you can see it, but it almost looks like that there's mer people in it. Either merman or merwoman. Mermaid. Here's the ocean picture. Isn't that pretty? I love the way that Susan has played with color with these. You can almost fall into the mermaid realm, and that's what I really love about them. These are pretty too. And then your maps. This is journaling cards. Some more of the writing paper. Now, I've printed these on white cardstock, but you could print them on the cream, and they would be pretty too. I just wanted everyone to really, really see the colors. I wanted to try to make them all pop. The bubbles in there, isn't that pretty? I've been having some tough technical difficulties, and that's why I haven't been on much to record this last week. Isn't that pretty? I am anxious to get started on this kit. It is just what I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I think that this is the perfect mermaid kit for me. She's pretty. See the mermaid tail here and then swimming away. Have it upside down. Is that pretty? Some of the pages you could have either way that you wanted to. Here looks like a mermaid tail. And then in this page, there's a mermaid hidden. You know, she's kind of like a shadow. These kits are absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorite pages. I love the pirate ship. And then here's the mermaid tail and a barrel. Looks like it has fallen off the ship in the storm. Here I go with my imagination. That's just beautiful. And here's a shadow. It kind of reminds me of a sea turtle. I'm sure it's probably not, but it just reminds me of one. My imagination takes off. So I may see something that somebody else doesn't see. Here's a mermaid tail. And I still think that this right here looks like a merman in the background. Another page. There's lots of background pages. This would be a big, huge book. Here's a mermaid silhouette. Aren't those colors just beautiful? They just flow together too. Susan has an amazing eye for color. Here's a mermaid tail. And then there's still what reminds me of a merman in the background. And then this is a writing page with a mermaid tail on it. Here's a map of what looks like a mermaid in distress, and the birds are trying to help her. And here's a mermaid being carefree and combing her beautiful locks of hair. And then these pages are what I would consider journaling cards. And I did print some on cardstock, but I also print these on regular paper because I think, again, that they would be beautiful to decoupage in the book or to use in different ways. Same goes with this page. This one is on copy paper, but I also printed it on cardstock. I think it would be cool to, you know, either use them as decoupage on a page or decoupage them to a tag. And then this page is pretty. There's the tails again. And then these tags here, I printed them on cardstock, but these just absolutely will go perfect and accent awesomely in the books. And this is the last page. The mermaids call for me, and to the sea I must go. This is ephemera. So there's quite a bit of ephemera in these, and there's quite a bit of pages, and it's a lovely kit, and I can't wait to get started. Thank you, Susan. If anyone is interested in these 3 kits, I will leave a link to Susan's Etsy site to the kits below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below. And if you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell that will let you know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you to all my subscribers for all your support and for watching my videos. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Bye-bye.